dog! Oh, hell no! Nah, I gotta sprint. Oh, hell no, I gotta hit it. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, shit, he got me, dog. Oh, shit. Oh! Help me! Oh, shit! Oh, he fucked me up. Alright, guys, so new game. So today we're going to be playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's based on a 1974 horror film. I know a lot of you guys have seen it, but I'm excited to play it, so let the games begin. Ew, it's starting off just like the movie, though. This look legit. Oh, y'all, we starting. Hold on. I'm nervous. Let's take the family.
Wait, so it's 4 of them instead of 1? Yeah. Alright, I got down.
Wait, what?
Oh my god!
Okay.
Oh god!
It
hurts. I have to get out of here.
Oh, you getting out?
Yeah.
Where am I?
You walk?
Yeah, I can walk.
Oh, you creeping.
Where everybody at though?
Dark as hell.
I can't see shit. Where y'all at?
Yeah, where y'all at?
Can y'all see me? Like,
I'm trying to get to y'all right now. Wait, this you right here.
Dark.
Alright, bet. Wait, is this you?
this me right here.
Alright, bet.
Where we
How you
going?
running? This right now.
Yo, I'm so lost.
I'm lost too, bro. I don't know what to do.
I'm like crouching and jumping up.
Hey, you making a lot of noise though. It says right now.
So do we stay still? Like,
Through there.
Nah, I think when you like click on, I don't know, what do you play on Xbox or no, you're on PC?
I'm playing with a controller though.
Alright, it says when you like click X, you can't click that whole like fast, or else it makes a lot of noise. How you running though?
I'm like pushing the like what is it? The back controller? What is this? Yeah, I'm with the joystick.
What? It makes a lot of noise?
I think the axe makes a lot of noise. Where's everybody though? I can't see nothing.
Dark as hell.
Where'd we go?
Oh, I can't see your body.
Where'd he go? Hey, where you go?
I'm right here with you. Shit, I'm scared as hell. This is my first game playing.
I'm scared too.
Hey, wait. Hey, I just saw somebody. Oh, no, I think that might have been him.
Okay, stay. Don't move. Cause I'm not moving.
Oh, hell no.
Wait. Where you at?
You need that.
No.
You okay? You still alive?
Yeah, I'm still here. He was just by me.
Wait, can you see him?
Where y'all at though?
I'm right over here. Like, let me move a little bit. Oh shit! Who's that over there? Is that you? Is that you? Where they at?
Just think. There's got to be a way out.
Wait, I found one of our teammates. What? Say, let's do this.
Why you keep getting bad?
All right, what we doing, y'all? What's the plan?
I don't know. We gotta get up out of here though. We gotta do something.
All right, let's go. All right, I'm following you. Who's this?
Alright, let's go. Where are our teammates at though?
I think we lost them.
What's this? What's going on?
Where you at? Hold on, I lost you. Where you at?
Wait, this one of our teammates. Oh shit, they didn't kill them already.
Oh, they killed one.
Oh shit, where you at? Oh damn.
I'm right here behind you, go back.
How come I can't see him?
Come in. Oh hell no.
I can't see him. What chance do we?
Who whispering?
I don't know who's that.
Search out on extends of you.
Please. Please don't let that thing come back.
Where you at though? Where'd he go?
I'm right here. I have went through the little bars.
I can't even see. I can't see you. If that man come out, I'm running.
Hold on. That'll be me. Hey, where you went?
Wait, I'm over here. Where you at? I'm scared as fuck.
I'm back. I'm right here.
Let me see if I can. All right.
You
So
see
what's?
me now?
I can.
Bet.
I can see you.
Alright. So.
I got one together.
Yeah, we gotta work together to get out of here.
Hey, I see. Oh, I just saw teammates. He right here.
Where? Where you running at?
He right there. Oh, we getting. Oh, they chasing him.
Oh fuck no! Where we going? Nah, nigga, I'm staying.
Oh, hell nah.
Where you at, nigga?
Hey, where you at?
I'm over here. Where you at?
Nah, he getting killed in front of me. Hold up.
Hold on, come in. Bruh, I need you, bruh. Wait. Oh fuck no. Ow.
Damn, circular.
What's that radar thing?
What's the rate? Oh! They got me, dog! Oh, hell no! Nah, I gotta sprint. Oh, hell no, I gotta hit it.
Come on.
Where you at? Where you at?
Hit it.
Oh, shit, he got me, dog! Oh, shit! Oh! Help me! Oh, shit! Oh, he fucked me up. Oh,
he got
oh,
me.
they got me.
No.
Oh, help me!
Oh, he's gone.
Damn.
Wait, hold on.
Whoa.
They messed me the hell up.
Wait, what's going
I think he's just playing. It's just him.
on? What you got on
Hey,
your
where you
phone?
went? Where you went?
Oh, I think he's in the back. Be careful. He's behind you.
No, he ran.
He ran? Damn, they...
Wait, I can't. You died?
I died. They got me, dog. Oh, he coming. Run.
Hey, behind
Nigga running behind you. Run, nigga.
Come on.
Damn.
He didn't come after you, though. You good.
Damn, I can't get you back to life.
I'm really dead. Like, he really chopped me off.
I see him. I'm gonna make a move. Alright, you run.
Yeah, be careful, because he got me from the back. It's crazy.
Hold on, let me see. See what he's trying to do.
Where's everybody else, though?
Everybody else died too.
Damn, they died.
Oh no. I gotta add y'all, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, nah, hold on. Ooh.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Be careful.
Ah, hell no. Fuck that shit.
That nigga everywhere.
Keep still.
Keep still to avoid him. That's Grandpa running around slicing people up.
You know the fastest shit.
For real. That nigga sprinting for real.
Wait, is he still in here with me?
Hold on, wait.
Oh.
Who's that? Wait, he's in there. Be careful though. Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back.
I'll maybe run out.
You might make it. Run. Be careful though. Be quiet. Oh, he's behind you. Keep. Oh, be careful. Stay low. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Oh, he's coming. Run. Oh my god, dude. Keep going. But stay quiet. Like once you get somewhere, stay real quiet. Bruh, this dude is tripping. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, he's right there. Run. Oh, shit, he got you. Run. Damn.
He was already got caught.
Oh, no, he killed my homie. Damn, you're right, homie. She's the only one. Julie's the only one in there right now. Run, Julie, run. Damn. You got this.
Really got far.
Yeah, she really got far. That's what I'm saying. She left, like, she really left us.
Yeah.
That's what I was supposed to do.
That's what I was trying to get at too. She could make it if she's like real quiet and she's moving like and crouching. She can get through. Julie, you got this. Watch your back.
Hey, tell him what's his name so we can keep him. That's it.
Hey, what's your name so I can keep you safe?
It's David, you.
David, you?
I don't even know how to add it from here, though.
That's what I'm saying. Can I add him from here too?
Yeah, we got to.
It's David, you.
Yeah, we can see that spell.
Okay.
Are you watching that?
Mm-hmm. Watch your back, Julie. Be quiet. Be quiet, Julie. Don't hit anything. You got it.
I don't think the other players have the headset on.
Oh, Julie's right there. Oh my God, she's right there. Stay low. Shit. Bruh. Do not move. If she moves, she's gonna die. He's walking around. He's trying to find her. Oh my gosh, be careful. Be careful.
Oh, hell no.
I know he growling and shit.
Oh, hell no.
He's tripping. Bro, I don't think we're gonna make it out. Grandpa is too fast.
I ain't gonna lie, Julie, you gonna have to get up out that crash.
Yeah, she's gonna have to get up out of there. Grandpa is on the track to you. Like, you gotta move. All right, all right. Okay, okay. Damn. You chopping it. Oh, there's somebody behind her. Run, Julie, there's somebody behind you. Oh no, she's making too much noise. There's somebody behind her. Yo, oh, who the hell was that? Yo. Yo, no, run back. Yo, what the freak? Oh, hell no. This nigga is way too fast. She gotta be quiet though. She hitting too many things. She's really good at this though. She's really hiding.
No.
I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, she's good. Okay.
Yeah, straight in.
Yeah. She's really quiet. Like she's not letting him find her. Ooh, who's that?
Oh,
They double up on her. Yo, that's the whole family. That's the fam. If she could open that front door, that gate area, she'll be good. Ooh, Johnny found your prince. That was Johnny, the dude with the black hair. So they know she's out there. Oh shit, they coming back. Stay in the grass. Oh shit. Nah, they saw her. Oh, she about to die. Oh shit.
You got it?
Yeah, she should have stayed. Yeah.
Why they call it?
Damn, the hunt is over. Dang.
The last one died.
Oh, he came out too.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Nobody trying to do the nay-nay. I don't know. What the
You
fuck?
dancing?
He dancing. Alright guys, so this wraps it up for Texas Chainsaw Massacre. You know what? This game was very hard to pass, but I feel like if you have a good strategy, you can escape the killer. Like, you can get away. But I don't have one right now, so stay tuned for part 2 because I'm definitely going to be trying it out again because I want to pass this game. Alright, thanks for watching.